good morning. Ayan, nakatot sa tapos magbigay tayo ng kape. Sila naman po nakatot. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. Mali po yung nasabi ko kaninang Happy Saturday. Sorry. Gusto ko yung tunog na yan eh. Happy Sunday everyone. Hi guys, good morning. Maglagaan na po tayo ng kape. Ayan, luto na siya. Ayan po, ang init pa. O, yan, umuuso. Coffee for you. To all my beautiful, amazing, sweet friends. Thank you so much.